Island.
Alright, I just wanna go and fight that big guy I hid from. You have one of every character?
I think so.
Oh shit, I gotta fight this guy now. Alright, bring it on, big fella. These fucking crows scare the shit out of me.
Oh, it's right, you can reset your Vault Hunter mode anytime you want. Ultimate Vault Hunter mode.
Alright, bring it on, big guy. There's the you hulking bastard. This guy literally spends all his time just holding this cinder block waiting for someone to beat with it. Like, they all just have these fucking cinder blocks in their hands for some reason. I wish I could take their cinder block. It's the source of all their honor.
It like reminds me of like, you know, like Dante's Inferno.
Dante's Inferno is a little more like God of War.
Oh yeah, true. Or Dante's Inferno.
That's what I thought you were talking about, the game.
Oh no, I don't like the real Dante's Inferno. Oh my god, I just put my hand on my keyboard and my other hand on the mouse.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I don't know if I can play Borderlands with this character.
Why not?
It's just got... It's unfair. She's got like unlimited ammo, I think.
Wheelchair son of a bitch. There's like this guy who just hides in this wheelchair and he has like a fucking bazooka.
A bazooka?
Yeah, it's like a fucking big ass gun. It's really ridiculous. Ooh.
I have stacks of iridium in my inventory. And 40 tokens.
Where are my pebbles? Oh, this guy's getting pebbled. Pebble attack. That pissed him off. I just don't like getting hit with pebbles anymore. Kids these days. Fuck you, Lamp. I don't need your dreaming shit. And a little surprise. This one dude always just smashes out from behind these boxes, like just wailing away at them. So shitty.
Is it like jump scares? Or is it...
Well, the first time that happened to me, it scared the shit out of me.
Alright.
But every time after that, you know it's there. But I mean, I'm really bad with spacing in this game. I'm getting used to it though. Sleeping motherfucker.
I imported these characters, and so I would have like, you know, something to start with. I'd have to start from the beginning, you know. But I just think like, you just need characters.
We keep him out of our game.
We're gonna upload it.
Oh, these guys are getting pebble. Pebble strike! Yeah, I did cool once, whatever. You know how it is. Bitches. Alright, finally. I've just been wanting to fight this big guy over here. Greg told me not to go over there because I would just die right away. But now I don't really give a shit, so I'm gonna fight this guy, and I'm gonna win. Oh, there he is, this motherfucker. That surly son of a bitch. What are you doing, your giant meat cleaver? Holy fuck. He strikes ferociously. Holy fuck! He just like uppercut me. I'm like, this is outrageous. Greg was so right. This guy doesn't even fucking mess around. He just fucking crushed me with his face. He's like, oh yeah, really? Fuck you, dude. He destroyed me. Wow, that was impressive on his part.
What weapon did he have?
What? Oh, he had like this.
What
He's a giant fucker, so he had this huge like meat cleaver looking thing with on like a long pole, and he was just swinging it around. Yeah, he literally killed me just by like getting up close to me and slamming his face into me, like into the ground, like crushing me with his face.
Nice.
He's a crafty motherfucker. That is the truth. 1 minute.
I don't love the sound of that firehouse.